Dito kami sa wedding reception. Sira ang aking body cam. Ah, si Mami. Doon, inside. Ay, si Mami.
Hey, let's go out. Let's go out. Let's go.
Bato? Ano yung jumbo? Hotdog. Kaya mo ba ito?
Yun.
Ano yung hotdog?
Ito.
Ikaw nga, dali.
Ikaw nga lang, jumbo.
Jumbo, dali.
Si ano?
Akit ka na, dali. Oh, dali.
Okay, magtula kami lang. Sino mag-alis kay mama? Anong make art?
Ano ba yung ayos ko na sarili ko?
Ayun na.
Ayos-ayos na ako.
Oh, slow lang. Oh. Jay, slow lang, Jay. Oh.
Okay, ready in 3, 2, 1, go!
Tawanan ka, tawanan. Tapit-tapit, yan.
Ganari-ganari sa kaya, no? Salat. Gigigil ka sa galit.
Oh, say hi. 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 Say hi. What is that? Dinosaur? T-Rex.
Hey!
T-Rex, dinosaur, biggie.
Tayo, ayan oh. Dinosaur. Say okay. Dinosaur.
Go! Shoot to the hole. Dad. Mama.
Oh, di pa nakita yung makeup niya. Like. Hop. Malaglag ka dyan. Baka dumulas.
I see the hole. Where is he? That one. Wow, hole. Where is he? Where is he? Oh, where's that?
Butan tayo ng ulan. Light. Yan si Light. Dance ka dyan.
Uy, gawin siya yung kanila. Tawaran siya.
Lagyan ako ng flower.
Test 1, 2, 2. Mr. Rogelio, Sir Al. Tapos po sa may ibigay si Ate and Joven. Yan ay hindi pangkaraniwan. Nagkakilala sila, nagmahalan, at ngayong araw ay dinakda ng kanilang kasal. Ang pagmamahalan ay masaya, ngunit ang tunay na pag-ibig ay higit pa ito. Nais silang mahalin isa't isa habang buhay, at ito ang ating pinagdiriwang ngayong araw. Sabi po sa unang Korinto 13:4, Joven, repeat after me, ha? Okay? So, may mic dyan. Sumunod sa akin. Ano na ito? Parang naka-off. Repeat tayo, ha? I,
Joven Piranio,
take you,
as my
pangalan niya,
Maria Miguel Lopez,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
my partner in life,
my partner in life,
and my true love.
and my true love.
Tingnan mo si Ate. Ulit sa taas, okay? Tingnan mo siya. I will cherish our friendship
I will cherish our friendship
and love you today,
and love today,
tomorrow,
tomorrow,
and forever.
and forever.
I will trust you
I will trust you
and honor you.
and honor you.
I will laugh with you
I will love you
and cry with you.
and I will you.
I will love you faithfully
I will love you faithfully
through the best
to the best
and the worst,
and the worst,
through the difficult
to the difficult
and the easy.
and easy.
Whatever may come,
Whatever may come,
I will
Thank you po.
always be there. As I have given you
as I give you
my hand to hold,
my hand to hold,
so I give you my life
I give you my life
to keep.
to
At ikaw naman,
Tubig.
I
Hi. Maria Abril Lopez.
take you
Thank you. Joven Pilario.
to be my husband,
To be my husband.
my partner in life,
Partner in life.
and my true love.
And my true love.
I will cherish our friendship
I will cherish our friendship.
and love you today,
And love you today.
tomorrow,
Tomorrow.
and forever.
And forever.
O, Joven, hindi ko mo si Ate. Ito eh, masaya ka. Masaya siya. Joven, okay? I will laugh with you
I will love with you.
and cry with you.
And cry with you.
I will love you faithfully
I will love you
through the best
through the best
and the worst,
and the worst.
through the difficult
Bye, Mommy Flower.
Hope
and the easy.
and peace.
Whatever may come,
Whatever may come,
I will always be there.
will always be there.
As I have given you
As I given you
my hand to hold,
my hand
so I give you my life
to give you my life
to keep.
to give.
Okay, so kami po yung dalawa. Harap kayo dito. Ako kamay pa rin kayo. Okay? So, Joven, do you think Sister Abigail will be your wife?
Yes.
Parang tayo ulit ang kapatid niyo. Ang ganda na kayo dalawa eh. Ang lakasan mo, ha? Okay? Harap kayo yung dalawa. Awag mo kamay isa. Okay, face to face yung dalawa. Yan. Okay. Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her, forsaking all others and holding only unto her forevermore?
Yes.
Okay. So si Abby naman, Abigail, do you take Joven to be your husband?
Yes.
Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him, forsaking all others and holding only unto him forevermore?
Yes.
Okay? So, tayo po ilabako po sa ring. Okay, nasingsing. Ayun.
Ba?
Hindi na yung nakikinig, salita ng Panginoon. Eh, sabi ng Bible, be doers of the word and not hearers only. Every possible way. So may go the board sponsor.
Tropa.
The Bible says, love your wife. Joel, ang sabi ng Bible, mahal mo ang asawa mo. Okay? Love your wife. Love your own wife. Trust is a foundation of any strong marriage. It involves honesty, reliability, and faith in your partner's intentions. As you join or in marriage, there is a merging of these two lives into one life. This is what the Lord meant when He said, on this account, a man is holding yours on your wedding day as you promise to love all the days of your life. Abi, tingnan mo si Joven. O, magtingin naman yan, wala kayong mata yung ikot ha, isang direksyon lang. Okay? Ibig sabihin mo pangako yung totoo. No matter what, walang bitawan. Okay? So, these are the hands that will work alongside yours as together. You build your future as you laugh and cry, as you share your innermost secrets and dreams. These are the hands that will work long hours for you and your new family. These are the hands that will passionately love you and cherish you through the years of a lifetime of happiness. These are the hands that will countless times wipe the tears from your eyes, tears of sorrow and tears of joy. These are the hands that will hold each child in tender love, soothing them through illness and hurt, supporting, encouraging them along the way, and knowing when it's time to let go. These are the hands that will hold you tight and struggle through difficult times. Joven, Abby, tandaan niyo po, I said, ang pag-asawa po, hindi to labing-labing. Ang pag-asawa po ay commitment. Yung pangako sa isa ay totoo. Nangako kayo sa Panginoon na magmahalan kayo. Kahit anong bagyo po ang dumaan sa inyo, maging matatag kayo, manatili kayo sa isa't isa. Walang bitawan. Ang pundasyon ninyo, pag ang Panginoon, isang pundasyon ninyo, hindi kayo basta-basta mamubuhay. Hindi kayo matitinag kahit anong bagyong darating po sa buhay ninyo. These are the hands that will comfort you when you are sick or console you when you are grieving. God bless His hand to see before you today. May they always be held by one another. Give them the strength to hold during the storms of stress and the dark of disillusionment. Keep them tender and gentle as they nurture each other in the wondrous love. Joven and Abigail, both of you may say the importance of your hands as help healer, protector, shelter, and guide. Harap na po kayo dito. And
So guys, patapos na rin tong vlog ko kasi lobat na ako mga guys. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe po dito sa vlog ko.
to know that in your hearts you truly want what is best for each other. It will take dedication to stay open to one another and to learn and to grow together. It will take faith to go forward together without knowing exactly what the future brings. And it will take commitment to hold true to the journey you both got pledged today. By the power vested in me, by Republic of the Philippines, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to first introduce to you the newest couple in the Philippines, Mr. Joven and Miss Abigail Pilayo. Joven, you may now kiss your bride.